All right, let's get started. The first step is to drain the water off the clams. You'll need a sieve. Drain the clams with the sieve. The next step is to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Peel the onion. Cut the peeled onion into 1/2 inch pieces. Next, peel the carrot. Cut the peeled carrot into 1/4 inch thick, 1/2 inch square pieces. Now peel the potato. Cut the peeled carrot into 1/4 inch thick, 1/2 inch square pieces. Now peel the potato. Cut the peeled potato into 1/4 inch thick, 1/2 inch square pieces. Cut the bacon into 1/2 inch squares. That's it for preparations. The next step is to cook the ingredients. You'll need a saucepan. Melt the butter in the saucepan over low heat. Increase to moderate heat, then sauté the onion and carrots together until the onions are transparent. Add the bacon and potato and continue sautéing. Next, add the all-purpose flour and sauté until the flour is fully mixed in. Be careful that it doesn't burn. Stir in the stock. Once the stock has come to a boil, skim off any foam and simmer for 10 minutes over low heat. Mix in the milk and the cream and increase to moderate heat. When the mixture begins to thicken, add the clams and simmer briefly. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Transfer to serving dishes and scatter some roughly crushed crackers on top. Finally, garnish with finely chopped Italian parsley. It's ready to eat. Well done!